We're gonna show you guys how you can make a vegetarian pre-workout snack that's hella delicious, and we're gonna go right now. Hey everyone, Michael and Lee from Forever Aesthetic Company. Today we have a recipe video for you. We're making no-bake raw energy balls.
The reason why we chose that snack for you today is 1, it's simple, and 2, there's no sugar added, so it must be healthy.
Alright, so let's get right into this. Follow along. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. You only need a few ingredients, very simple. Grab your favorite nut mix, grab some dates, grab some cinnamon, we need water, and we got a blender. We're going to post a recipe down below so you know exactly what portions you're going to be using.
And here they are, raw energy balls, all complete. The great thing I love about this snack is 1, you could store it in the fridge. If you do so, please do wrap in parchment paper individually. For up to 3 weeks you can store these guys. You can eat them now if you like, or you could store them in the freezer for up to 3 months. Enjoy!
And as simple as that, we put together the raw energy balls. Let us know how they taste in the comments, so leave a comment down below after you try it. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any further videos. Hit that bell notification too. We'll love you for that. We'll see you in the next video.